What's up, Mavericks? The new Square Handheld POS is built to take payments anywhere, no tablet, no bulky setup. Today we're unboxing it, checking out everything in the box, and getting a first-hand look at how it feels, how it might fit into your business, and if it's worth the price. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Let me open this bad boy up. There we go. And there you have it, the Square Handheld POS. Right out the gate, I just love how aesthetically well designed the packaging is. It feels like I'm getting a present for the holidays or for my birthday. As a small business owner, I just love how sleek and nicely designed this is. And if I know anything about Square, it doesn't stop with the packaging. The product itself, I'm sure, is well designed as well. There's a little hook here. I don't know what this is for. Maybe it's an ornament that you can hang from a tree, but regardless, I like it. I'll accept it. It is what it is, right? So moving on to the unboxing, I'm gonna pull this out and then put this here for you to see. I feel like this opens like this, yep. And of course, right up top is the Square Handheld point of sale POS terminal. This is the instruction manual and some stickers that you can put on your door or on your counter to let everyone know that you accept Square and Visa, MasterCard, American Express, etc. Then we have the lightning cable, the USB-C cable. Actually, it looks really heavy duty and sturdy. So this is the adapter that the cable actually goes into to charge the product. And once again, really well presented, neatly placed in the box, easy to bring out. This is textbook Square packaging, very aesthetically and nicely designed. So now let's take a look at the handheld POS. I'm gonna go ahead and take this little sticker off to reveal a really big touch screen on the front. And then on the top is what looks to be a scanner, and then possibly a camera on the back. I think that is a camera, and a couple of buttons on the side, and one of them which is the power button, and then this one is the barcode scanner button. I love the big screen, but I also love how sturdy but small it feels. I don't know if any of you have seen those bulky handheld terminals at restaurants where they bring them to the table and it's like you kind of gotta claw this thing and figure out how to tap your card and then sign in. It's just like this big bulky item that's sitting in your hand, but this Square handheld feels very sturdy. It feels very easy to hold, not only for the customer, but also for whoever is actually using this thing day to day, every day for hours on end. Now, if you compare this to a couple of other Square products like the Square Reader and the Square Terminal, the first impression obviously is that it's larger than the Square Reader, but it clearly offers more functionality. And conversely, it's more streamlined and portable than the Square Terminal that's a bit larger. Okay, so let me turn this guy on. So I get to the Get Started screen. I'm gonna see if I can walk through some of this process with you. It's asking me to choose my language. I'm gonna choose English. Allow location data access, I agree. Wi-Fi network, I wanna connect to. Enter my password, asking me to choose my time zone, and now it needs to install a software update. So it's taking me through a tour of the product. I can hit take tour, and it's just gonna show me, different parts of the product. Fast track your checkout with contactless payments, handle cards quickly and reliably, take payments by watch or by phone, scan barcodes in a flash. That's what this is right here. Control settings with a swipe. Obviously it's a touch screen. You can swipe whatever, tap, swipe, make changes with settings. And then the last is snap and showcase. Use the built-in camera to take a photo of your items. And then that's it. It says enjoy your Square handheld. I'm gonna hit done. The user interface to log in is very intuitive. It's just like using any sort of smartphone. I entered my credentials and just hit sign in. Let's see what happens. So it's asking me to talk about my business. I'm gonna enter my business name. And so it's telling me essentially what my ideal setup is gonna be. I'm gonna use that mode. All right, so since I set it up as professional services mode, it's gonna give me an interface for anyone that's offering professional services like CPA services, accounting, etc. But I can also add a different mode in here if I want to. So I can switch between modes. I can switch between retail or restaurant or professional services, and that'll give you different functionality within the display for different types of businesses. If I can kind of demo where the card would be placed or inserted and tapped. So at the bottom, you can see there's a slot here for entering the credit card. Very simple interface. And then for NFC, your customers would be able to tap somewhere on the device, most likely at the top there. And you can accept Apple Pay, Google Pay, and it operates independently. You don't need a tablet, but it does integrate with other Square POS ecosystem products. And if you want it to be even more durable, you can purchase a Belkin case for added protection from the Square website. Overall, I just want to reiterate how durable this feels and how portable it feels. I know they have a video on their own YouTube channel where it shows a waiter or a host walking around with an apron. They just tuck it into their apron. I can just see it very easily riding around with you on a very long shift with lightweight mobility and durability, and especially if you get that Belkin case on it, this thing is gonna last forever. Overall, I love the device. If I was working a long shift as a host, a waiter, or in a retail store, I would welcome the size, the weight, and the durability of this product over a traditional terminal or point of sale system any day. So there you have it. That is the unboxing of the Square Handheld POS. If you want the deep dive, pricing, features, pros and cons, we've already got the full review waiting for you. And if you want to learn more about the full Square ecosystem, check out our Square POS review as well. Both links are in our description. The unboxing is the easy part. Now let's see if it can keep up with your hustle. Thanks for watching, Mavericks. I'll see you in the next one.